I'm surprised that everybody seems to know about this bird, but it's the only place I'm seeing them. All the other wetlands around, I'm looking and watching for this yellow-headed blackbird, and I'm only finding them here in Ryan's Gulch. This year, anyway. I'm starting to hear there's populations of burrowing owls, so I'll be going out looking for those next. Most of them are in the drier areas, although one is by Duck Lake. But this is just one more feature in Mother Nature's palette that is a stunning subject in the end. This is the Mad Camera Guy. Thanks for watching.